Hi, this is Jonica, your independent pampered chef consultant. Welcome to my kitchen. I absolutely love strawberry season. I love berries. Fruit is probably my favorite food. And berries are at the top of that list. I'm going to show you one of my favorite products. I need to make some whipped cream. So I'm going to use my whipped cream maker. There's my whipped cream maker. There we go. Make sure your cream is cold. There's a little faint line. You can just barely see. You just can't fill more than that line. I'm not going to go that far. I'm just going to use empty this carton, put on the lid, and pump it. It's like a little bicycle pump. The whipped cream maker comes with a free mini scraper. It's a free skinny mini scraper. Comes with it. I'm going to show you my other favorite product, the cup slicer. Look at that. Slice up strawberries. Perfect slices. Do you see that? Just in case you missed it, let's do it again. That. A bowl full of strawberries in seconds. And did you know it also does grapes, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, olives, any soft fruit or vegetable. Look at that. I'm going to dig in. I'm going to have a wonderful little snack. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching my video. And the bottom comes off and doubles as a lid should there be any leftovers. Thanks again for watching.